평생을 워싱턴 DC에 위치한 대저택에서 정원사로 일하는 한 남자. 그의 이름은 찬스. 그는 어릴 적부터 그 집에서 살아왔고 저택을 떠나 바깥 세상을 경험해 본 적이 단 한 번도 없습니다. 그의 삶은 정원을 돌보는 일과 텔레비전 시청이 전부입니다. 찬스는 문자도 못 읽고 쓰지도 못하는 지적 장애인이지만 외모는 깔끔하고 태도는 매우 점잖습니다. 말투도 조심스럽고 공손하여 겉보기엔 잘 교육받은 듯한 인상을 주는데요.
Good morning, Louise.
The old man's dead.
I see. Yes, Louise. It looks like it's going to snow.
That old man is lying up there, dead as hell. And it just don't make any difference to you. I'm sorry for yelling like I did. Suppose I better gather you up some breakfast.
Oh, yes, please. I'm very hungry, Louise.
자신과 평생을 함께해오고 돌봐주다시피 한 대저택 주인인 부유한 노인이 사망하였다고 하는데도 전혀 동요되지 않는 찬스. 그러나 아무 감정이 없는 표정과는 달리 2층으로 올라가 노인의 마지막을 지켜보며 작별하는 듯한 모습을 보입니다. 그것도 잠시뿐. 그 순간은 오래가지 않는데요. 리모컨을 들고 다시 현실로 돌아옵니다.
I'm gonna go now, Chance.
Yes.
You're gonna need somebody. Guess it ought to be an old lady. You're always gonna be a little boy, ain't you? Goodbye, Chance.
오랜 시간 함께해온 가정부 루이스도 떠나게 되며 집에 혼자 남게 된 찬스. 그의 곁에 아무도 없지만 일과표대로 움직이는데요. 그런데 어느 날 조용한 집에 손님이 찾아옵니다.
We thought we heard something. I'm Thomas Franklin. The garden?
Yeah.
We're with Franklin Jennings Roberts, the law firm handling the estate. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes. Louise will bring me my lunch.
There is no mention of a gardener.
Just how long have you been living here, Mr. Chance?
Ever since I was a child, I've worked in this garden.
We will need some proof of your having resided here, Miss. Are you related to the deceased, Mr. Chance?
I don't think so. I've never been in an
찬스는
automobile.
꽤 오랜 세월을 이 저택에서 보냈고
I've never been allowed
이곳저곳에 그의
outside of
흔적이
the
남아
house.
있었지만 정작 그에 대한 어떠한 기록도 존재하지 않았는데요.
You have a very handsome wardrobe, Mr. Chance.
Yes. I'm allowed to go to the attic and wear any of the old man's clothes.
Mr. Chance, I would like to know what sort of claim you're planning to make against the deceased's estate.
Garden is a healthy one, Thomas. I have no claim.
This house is now closed to move out by, let's say, noon tomorrow.
변호사의 퇴거 통보를 받은 그는 당황스러워하지만 순수하게 받아들이고 짐을 챙기기 시작하는데요. 그리고 자신에게 유일한 세상을 보여주던 텔레비전을 끄고 처음으로 세상 밖으로 나섭니다.
Excuse me. I'm very hungry. Could you give me some lunch? Could you please tell me where I can find a garden to work in?
Shit. Who sent you here, boy? Now move, honky. Slice that honky, cut your white ass.
가정부와 비슷한 모습을 한 이에게 이상한 사람으로 취급당하고 불량배들에게 위협까지 당해 위기에 빠집니다. 찬스의 첫 세상은 만만치 않았는데요. 동상이 가리키는 방향으로 정처 없이 떠돌게 됩니다. 텔레비전 속에 자신이 나오는 모습을 지켜보며 신기해하던 찬스는 뒷걸음치다가 결국 예기치 못한 사고를 당하게 되는데요. 미국 상류층의 차량과의 충돌이었죠.
It's not broken, is it? Can you walk?
I hope not. Yes.
It should be examined. We could take you to a hospital.
I've never ridden in an automobile before.
I assure you, sir, David is a very careful driver.
상류층 여성 이브는 찬스에게서 어딘가 모를 엘리트다운 분위기를 느끼고 자신의 집에서 치료를 받는 건 어떻겠냐며 조심스레 제안하게 되죠.
You know, why don't you come to our house and we could take care of it? May I ask your name?
Chauncey Gardner.
Chauncey Gardner? Mr. Chauncey Gardner? Are you related to Basil and Perdita Gardner? Oh, well, they are such a wonderful couple.
정원사 찬스를 찬시 가디너라고 착각한 이브는 그가 명문가 출신일 것이라 확신합니다.
How long do we stay in here?
How long?
Now, there's no apparent damage to the bone, but just to be sure, I'll have Wilson wheel you down for an x-ray. By the way, Mr. Gardner, I'd like to ask you something straight out. Are you planning on making any sort of claim against the Rands?
That's what Thomas asked me. Thomas Franklin, he's an attorney.
Then you wish to handle this matter through your attorneys?
I don't even know what they look like.
You caught me off guard there, I must admit. Would it be possible for you to stay here for a day or two so we could keep an eye on?
랜드 집안의 주체 역시 찬스와 대화를 나눈 뒤 이 사람 보통 내기가 아니네 라고 생각을 가지게 되는데요.
So I've been told.
Oh, you heard about it. And Mr. Gardner is a very reasonable man.
I'd like to meet a reasonable man for a change.
며칠간 머물게 된 찬스는 미국의 사업가이자 정치적 영향력을 지닌 벤자민 랜드를 만나게 되는데요.
Welcome to Rand Memorial Hospital. This is usually a young person's disease, and I'm about to die of a young person's disease. You'll join us for dinner, of course, Mr. Gardner.
I'm very hungry.
병에 대해 심각하게 받아들이지 않는 그를 보며 랜드는 의아함을 가지고 함께 식사를 하게 됩니다.
Well, I do hope your injury won't prevent you from attending to business.
You need a secretary?
My house was shut down.
You mean your business was shut down?
Shut down and closed by the attorneys.
What'd I tell you? That's exactly what I mean. Is at the mercy of kid lawyers from the SEC. It's happening to
세상의
everyone, I'm
기운이
afraid.
찬스에게 향하는 걸까요? 마치 대화가 오가는 것처럼 느껴지고 급기야 그의 말을 은유적으로 해석해 주기까지
So then,
합니다.
what are your plans, Chauncey?
I would like to work in your garden.
Ben, I know exactly what he means. Isn't it wonderful to be with the trees and the flowers like that?
I'm a very good gardener.
It's such a pleasant way to forget one's troubles.
Yeah, well, isn't that what any businessman is? A gardener.
묘한 매력에 빠진 랜드는 찬스와 더 많은 사담을
There are
나누게 되고
thousands of businessmen, large and small, in your situation. I've been thinking about starting a financial assistance fund.
No, Ben.
Reluctant to speak, huh? I can understand that. After a man's lost everything, I'm sure you'll sprout some thoughts in a few days.
그렇게 찬스는 짧은 시간이었지만 벤에게도 깊은 신뢰감을 얻게 됩니다.
Thank you, Eve.
You lifted Ben's spirits tonight to such an extent. He liked you so much, Chauncey.
Ben is very ill, Eve. I've seen that before. He reminds me of the old man.
점점 찬스 앞에 흥미로운 일들이 펼쳐집니다. 미국 내에서 막강한 정치력을 지닌 벤을 통해 그는 대통령을 만날 기회까지 얻게 되죠.
I know about the president coming, Robert. Ben would like me to meet the president. How will I know when it's 10 o'clock, Robert?
It's 10 after 9 now, and if you don't see a clock, well, I'm sure someone will have the time.
여러 대화를 하면서 로버트는 찬스에게 의문을 품게 되지만 벤의 깊은 신뢰를 바탕으로 대통령을 만나게 되는데
Nobody likes a dying man, Chauncey, because nobody knows what death is. That's one of the things I admire about you, your admirable balance. Where the hell is he? Mr. President! Ben!
Hello, Mr. President. On television, Mr. President, you look much smaller.
I must warn you that Chauncey's not a man to bandy.
Well, Mr. Gardner, I'm a man who appreciates discussing a frank discussion. Ben, did you read my speech?
But I think, Mr. President, that it's very dangerous to play around with temporary measures at a time like this.
Mr. Gardner, do you agree with Ben, or do you think we can...
As long as the roots are not severed, all is well, and all will be well in the garden.
In the garden?
Yes. In a garden, growth has its season. First comes spring and summer, but then we have fall and winter, and then we get spring and summer again.
Spring and summer?
Yeah.
I think what our insightful young friend is saying is that we welcome the inevitable seasons of nature, but we're upset by the seasons of our economy.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Gardner, I must admit that is one of the most refreshing and optimistic statements I've heard of. I admire your good, solid sense. That's precisely what we lack on Capitol Hill. Oh, but I'll need some information on Mr. Chauncey Gardner's background.
대통령과의 만남이 물 흐르듯 자연스럽게 이어지면서 벤은 찬스를 완전히 자기 사람으로 믿게 됩니다. 그 믿음을 아내 이브에게까지 전해주죠.
Close friend and advisor was at the meeting this morning. I found Mr. Gardner to have a feeling for this country that we need more of. To quote Mr. Gardner, a most intuitive man. As long as the roots of industry remain firmly planted in the national soil.
대통령의 연설 속에서 찬스의 이름이 언급되자 그는 순식간에 유명 인사가 되어 TV쇼에까지 출연하게 됩니다.
That you're inclined to agree with his view of the economy.
Which view?
This is just another season in the garden, so to speak.
Die,
He's a gardener.
Fresh young saplings
Chauncey Gardner.
take their place. You can
He does
watch your
talk like
garden
one.
become very beautiful.
But I think he's brilliant.
A very good gardener in office at this time.
Some plants do well in the sun, and others grow better in the shade.
Sounds as if we need a lot of gardening.
We certainly do.
I raised that boy since he was the size of a piston. And I'll say right now he never learned to read and write. All you gotta be is white in America to get whatever you want.
What sort of gardener would you be?
I am a very serious gardener.
You're fond of him too, aren't you? That's good. That's good.
모두에게 사랑받는 인물이 된 찬스. 벤자민의 의도적인 노력으로 이브의 마음도 움직이기 시작하는데요.
Robert here is not going to allow me to attend, so you'd be doing me a great favor if you would attend in my place and escort Eve.
I don't have very many friends, and Ben's friends are quite a bit older than I am.
온 세상이 찬스를 궁금해하고 열광하지만 그에 대한 정보를 찾지 못하고
His suits were made by a New York tailor, handmade, in 1928. The tailor went out of business in 1933 and later.
그렇게 벤을 대신하여 참석하게 된 모임에서 역시나 온 우주가 찬스에게로 이끌리고 있었으나 변호사 토마스와 주치의 로버트가 만나게 되면서 위기를 맞습니다.
I do not read papers. I watch TV.
Do you mean, Mr. Gardner, that you find television's coverage of the news superior to that of the newspapers? Few men in public life have the courage not to read the newspapers. That this reporter has met have the guts to admit it.
And he told me that he had been living there since he was a child, working as a gardener.
There's something Krylovian about you.
Do you think so?
I believe that you know Krylov. Я плюю в экологist, пригодится в один pizza.
But our firm has no record of any such transaction.
Chauncey, you had the Russian ambassador eating right out of your hand, you know that? I didn't know you spoke Russian. It's incredible.
You say he showed you his garden, strictly to yourselves. There's no telling what he could have been involved in.
로버트가 무슨 속셈인지 모르겠지만 비밀로 지켜달라고 말했고 그리고 찬스를 향한 인기는 남녀 안 가리네요.
Tell me, Mr. Gardner, have you ever had sex with a man?
그의 정체가 너무도 궁금한 대통령을 더욱 혼란스럽게 만드는 측근들.
Yeah, Kaufman, what is it? What? Why?
찬스를 만나며 두려움이 사라진 벤은 유서를 작성 중이었는데요. 그 순간 모든 사실을 알게 된 로버트는 그에게 말하려 했지만
Ben, I'd like to talk to you about Chauncey.
There's something about him that I trust. He makes me feel good. Since he's been around, the thought of dying has been much easier for me.
그렇게 아무 사실도 모른 채 벤은 매우 위독해지고 다급하게 찬스를 찾게 되는데요.
Chauncey.
Yes, Ben. Are you going to die now?
I hope that you'll stay here. Take care of her.
He's gone, Chauncey.
I've seen this before. It happens to old people. Eve is staying. She said she will not close up the house. I love Eve very much.
And you really are a gardener, aren't you?
I am. A gardener.
예정대로 벤자민 랜드는 눈을 감게 되면서 그의 발언을 두려워했던 대통령은 안도의 한숨을 쉬게 되었습니다. 반대 세력은 찬시 가디너를 유일한 희망으로 보았지만 그는 다시 정원사 찬스로 돌아가 TV 속에서 처음 세상에 나왔던 것처럼 또 다른 영감이 떠났으니 우산 하나를 챙기고 바깥 세상으로 여행을 떠나게 됩니다.